Yo everybody, how's it going? It is Maria Hidos, and welcome to my very first plane spotting video on this brand new YouTube channel. I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy the plane spotting video. Here we go. What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the plane spotting video. So by the way, just before I start the plane spotting video, I'm going to distribute this video to two YouTube channels. So I do apologize if I do make some mistakes in the video, because I am trying to upload to two different YouTube channels just before we get started. So yeah, it's just going to be the exact same video, it's just going to be on two different channels. But anyways, with that said, welcome to Aurora Municipal Airport. We have currently arrived. So right now it is currently 2:16. I have a flight with JA in an hour. The sad news is, guys, there is no aircraft out. I did see some at the JA side. I'm gonna go take Instagram photos of it and stuff like that. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna try not to be so annoying. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be a super short plane spotting video. Again, if you guys really love seeing planes here, the best time would be in the summer, because I'll come here over the summer and I'll film a lot. So let me just turn the camera around if I can, because this is a different camera. Alright, guys, hi. This is so weird. I'm actually filming out of the DSLR, and there we go, turning the big DSLR on me. Anyways, so first of all, yeah, we're just gonna go take a few pictures of some planes that I spotted. And I think then right after I'm done with my lesson, I think I'm going to take off. The only reason being because I got to get home for dinner. And then after that, I've got to go to the gym and do my hour workout. So, yeah, I'm going to be pretty darn busy. But don't worry, we will get footage. Just for your enjoyment, I will have the camera rolling until we get to the planes. Let me just turn the camera around once again. Sorry about the poor filming. So we're just going to take that path and go straight down there and turn off the vehicle. By the way, I got my Cessna bag with me today because I don't really have anything special going on. So, guys, I'm gonna put this on the dash for a minute. Sorry for that poor shot. I'm just trying to drink my Hydroxycut because I am on a diet. But let's bring the iPhone 6 with us, and we're going to film. I hate notifications. It's for my cousin from the WhatsApp. It's the WhatsApp. I've been using it lately and I need to, like, stop. So. Whoa, that was loud. Okay, hold on. I'll just stick my phone in there. Alright, let's go take a picture of those planes. There are some people there. I hope they don't get pissed off. I just gotta take some pictures for Instagram. And, yeah, I don't want to make a fool out of myself over there because I don't think there's any aircraft. And I don't think there's supposed to be any aircraft. Whoa. Check that out. That is cool. That plane is so cool. Holy cow. Look at the engine. Holy smokes. Let me zoom in. Oh, wow. I'm gonna take a quick picture of it. Okay, what's this tail number? Just so I can... N138CA. N138CA. It's gonna be in captions down below. Let's look at that plane. That's a nice plane. It's a Cessna C-172. I think I'm gonna go take a quick picture of it for Instagram. Sorry. Look at that plane though. Look at what the engine looks like when it's like taken apart. That's cool. I'm gonna take a quick picture of this, guys. Hold on. I gotta zoom in as much as I can. Cool. Alright, look, there's another plane down there. It's a Cessna 172 Skyhawk. I better not. That's another plane. Can't film too much because I want. Alright, here we go. Let's, hold on. I'm gonna unlock the iPhone. There we go. So, guys, we're gonna be looking at my Instagram in just a sec, so. Okay, just a sec, guys. Okay, so here we go. This is my Instagram. For those of you that have not heard of it or are not following me, this is what it looks like. It's Hydos_Air, A-I-R, and right now I only got 69 followers, so I do need more followers. I got about 532 posts on there, and I got about 400 people I'm following. But just in case if you're not following me, please follow me. I mean, this is where you will find all my pictures from all of my plane spotting videos and stuff like that. Sorry for the camera not focusing, guys. So basically, here you go. You got some random video that I made there. There's my dad over there with a private plane. Again, my dad really likes airplanes, guys. There's, I think that's N100SR. The G150. I think that's the Gulfstream, but I can't tell. It's really... Because basically, I'm looking at the viewfinder of the camera right now, so I apologize if I make mistakes. But like I said, there's just a lot of aircraft ever since I started becoming a student at this airport. I've been taking daily pictures, and I've had this Instagram account ever since I became a student at JA Air Center. So basically there's been so many posts, and you guys have to see it. Here's a cool aircraft, I can't read it, my camera. N989 Juliet Alpha, November 989 Juliet Alpha. Really nice aircraft and stuff like that. I mean, there's just so many posts. You have definitely check it out. Oh, there's the N100SR. If I can get my camera to focus. Hold on. Focus. There you go. That's N100. Let me see if I can make it bigger for you guys. For the camera. There's my... This is the airplane I'm in love with, guys. It's a G150, I believe. N100SR. Again, this is one aircraft that I love to see whenever. That was the very first plane that I've encountered since I became a student at Aurora Airport, and so I always take pictures of her, and I miss her so much. And you guys may think I'm a psycho, but no. I mean, look at all these aircraft, guys. Definitely take a look at this. These are all open to the public. Here's a really nice shot right here from JA a long time ago and stuff like that. There's my private pilot practical exam textbook. Don't know why I took a picture of that. There's my student pilot certificate when I first got it. And I'll show you guys where it's at right now. It's actually not with me. And stuff like that. But yeah, those two pictures that I took today will be posted when I get home. The only reason I don't... And look what finally arrived. This thing is having a flight. I did take a picture for my Instagram, by the way. There's the jet. Let's see if I can get its tail. God, I shouldn't be going. It's 8. God, I want to get its tail, guys. Hold on. 8. 1-8 something. 163. Guys, I can't go too close to it. 1863M. N1683M, I think. I can't go too close to that thing because I could get in trouble. That is a huge plane. Let me go get another shot of it for you guys. Let me zoom in with my lens. There we go. What a nice plane. That is huge. I wish we... I forgot I didn't have my watch on me. What time is it? Shoot, we got like 9 minutes and then I have to go in. I should ask if I can wait for this plane to take off and then come in. I'm not sure if they'll allow that or not. I should go ask. Guys, you know what I should do? I should go inside JA and ask if they know what time that plane will be leaving. Because I really want to get its engines and everything in my video. I'm sure that they'll be okay with it. If not, I guess I won't get a shot of it. Because the right time right now is 2:52 in the afternoon. Oh, that'd be cool to get that on video, but I don't know what time it's taken off. Man, let me see if I can... Alright, hold on. Alright, I talked with JA and they said it's okay to wait. Whoa! So, let me put my phone away real quick. They're getting ready to leave right now, so let me zip my bag. Sorry. I don't want to lose my bag, so I better stand here. Yeah, my flight instructor said it's okay to watch this. Pass. Oh, UPS. Hello. Oh god, I don't even know how to zoom feature on this. There we go. Cool plane, y'all. Okay, I don't want to be taping them, so I'm gonna tape the grass for a sec. Sorry about that. They're getting ready to leave now. Perfect. I won't be super late. Holy cow, the guy's looking. Okay. Alright, there's the multi-engine getting ready for liftoff. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. Okay, I make sure passengers don't see me though, so I apologize for the film. Okay, let's be quiet now. Alright, quiet. Quiet, here it goes. Ooh. Oh! Alright, let's cut here. Yeah, okay. There it goes. Okay, now let's get the big plane. Shh. Shh. Alright, good thing... Oh crap, I hope the battery holds up. If not, I have to take over on the other cameras. I hope battery holds up. Here it goes. Cool. tail? That's his tail. 1883M, right? Let's go get a better shot here. Ooh. There it goes. Sweet. That is a big plane. Yeah, my battery's dying, so I gotta make this kind of quick. Alright, and that'll be it. Yo everybody, what's going on? Maria Hidos. Hope you guys enjoyed that plane takeoff. I know I did. So that's going to actually end the plane spotting video, guys. It is currently 4 o'clock. Time for me to go home, eat some dinner, and go to my club and do an hour workout. Just a quick update. Did some stalls today, guys. Holy smokes, it was a nice experience. We did some cool maneuvers, and I'm hoping that things are going to get better. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this plane spotting video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, and be sure to check me out on my Instagram. Again, that name is Hidos_air. That is where you will find all the pictures. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to y'all soon. See ya.